After all that hard work, it's time to restore. My name is Sarah Kiriconi, Live Free Warrior. This is a bonus video to add to the Lengthen, Strengthen, and Lean Out program. In this video, we're going to focus on 3 different parts all together. You can repeat this as often as you'd like throughout the entire program or reference whenever you'd like. But we're going to combine breathing, breath work, gentle stretches, and meditation as well, or single pointed focus of the mind, if you want to use other terms. So you can use this practice as well after each one of your other practices in the program, after a workout, or if you just want to sleep a little bit better at night. To begin, we are going to do some breathing. You can keep your eyes closed, you can keep them open, whatever feels comfortable for you to follow the guided instruction. And maybe you try it one way and then you switch it up the next day, and that's okay too. Go ahead and find a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. You don't need to be cross-legged. You can be seated in a chair, whatever works for you. And then go ahead and just lengthen up tall through your spine. Take a deep breath in and start to settle wherever you are at today. Feel the breath moving naturally in and out. What is the natural rhythm of your breath? You don't need to change it, just observe. And then check in with yourself. How do you feel right now in this moment? Take a deep breath in and a full breath out. Inhaling and a full exhale. One more inhale and exhale. Inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Inhale through the nose again. Open mouth, exhale. And again like that. Inhale through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. Inhale through the mouth. And exhale out through the nose. Inhale through the mouth. Exhale through the nose. Inhale through the mouth. Out through the nose. Through the nose, inhale. Through the nose, exhale. 2 more. Inhale through the nose. Through the nose, exhale. Through the nose, inhale. Through the nose, exhale. We're going to take it into alternate nostril breathing. So taking your thumb and ring finger, you're going to place your thumb to your right nostril, your ring finger to your left as we move through this breathing practice. Take a deep breath in to begin. Full exhale. Thumb to right nostril, inhale through the left. Ring finger left nostril, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Block right, exhale left. Inhale left. Block left, exhale right. Inhale right. Block right, exhale left. Inhale left. Block left, exhale right. Inhale right. Block right, exhale left. Inhale left. Block left, exhale right. 2 more full rounds. Inhale right. Block right, exhale left. Inhale left. Block left, exhale right. Inhale right. Block right, exhale left. Inhale left. Block left, exhale right. Release your hand, inhale through the nose. And hold your breath at the top. Engage your core, your pelvic floor. Drop your chin slightly down towards your chest. You're still holding your breath. Try and soften your face, soften your shoulders. Open mouth, exhale. Let your breath return back to natural as before. And then taking it into a few gentle stretches. So again, you can keep your eyes closed if they are, or open them. In a side bend, take your right hand down toward if it's your bed, if it's your mat or the floor or even a chair. And take a side bend, reaching your left arm up overhead. And extend as long as you can through those left fingertips and lift your left ribs up a little bit higher. Breathe deeply into your left lungs. For 3, 2, inhale, and rise back up. You're going to switch sides, so just take the left hand down. Now reach the right arm up overhead, extending long through those right fingertips. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. One more inhale and exhale. Come on back up. Drop your right ear towards your right shoulder, and then take your right hand, place it towards your left ear. Now your left hand, you can either leave it to the side or sit on it. I recommend sitting on it. This keeps your left shoulder down away from your ear. And then drop a little bit more your right ear to your right shoulder. You should feel a really sweet stretch along the left side of your neck, even down the collarbone, depending on where you hold tightness. I hold it everywhere, especially in the neck. Take a deep breath in, and then the exhale, that's where you can relax a little bit more. One more inhale, and exhale. Just switch sides. So as you release that, notice the difference between the sides of your neck. Now, it'll be your left hand that reaches up and over to take hold of your right ear. Left ear towards your left shoulder, and then your right hand either to the side or you're sitting on it. Drop your left ear a little closer towards your left shoulder. And again here, just breathe as deep as you can into the right side of your neck, along the collarbone, attaching to your shoulder, letting all of that tension go. One more inhale, full exhale. Rise back up on the inhale. It's a gentle twist to the left. Inhale, lengthen the spine. I take my right hand to the inside of the knee. Exhale and twist. 2 more deep breaths like that. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale back to center. And just switch sides. Lengthen up, inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Twisting, exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. I mean, a nice spinal release there. Let the shoulders roll down away from the ears, just wringing all of that out. As we move into a little bit of a meditation, here's where maybe you want to close your eyes. You don't have to. If you want to lay down, you can as well. Wherever you are, just start to find a natural breath. We did this in the beginning. You're going to bring it back here. Just breathe in and out. No control. Just let it flow. Bring awareness right to the tip of your nose and feel where that breath moves in. And then take awareness to your forehead. Start to relax the lines in your forehead. Let any tension there go. Relaxing, softening. To your eyebrows, let those soften. To your ears, let your ears soften and relax. Your cheekbones, your jaw, allow your tongue to relax. Allow your eyes to get heavy here. Feel your shoulders relax into the floor or down away from the ears. Feel your head supported wherever it is. Allow the arms to be heavy, weighted, long. And allow the fingertips to be loose, relaxed, and at ease. Feel your shoulder blades drop down the back. Allowing your chest to open, lifting with each inhale. Your belly is soft, moving with your breathing. And your hips grounding, weighted to the earth, feeling that connection. The thighs, the legs, holding no tension, moving in the direction they need, without force, without mind control, just letting them be and relax. And the feet and the toes, like the fingers, loose, relaxed, and at ease. And with your eyes closed still, visualize where you want to go. Visualize the journey. Less the destination, more the journey. How you're getting to where you're going. With a calm body, clear mind, start to visualize your best you. Just take a few more moments settling into that. What does it look like? Who do you look like? How do you feel? Who are you with? What's your environment like? Create your surrounding. Create your life. Deep breath in. Open mouth, exhale. Allowing all that visualization to settle into your body, into the cracks, the spaces. It is pure light. In your own time, when you're ready, you can begin to open your eyes, move your body again. That's going to be in your own time, though. So wherever you are in this practice, maybe you're still sleeping, I want to thank you for taking this time to restore, to take this different path and journey in this practice. And also thank you for being a part of this program with me. And my name is Sarah Kiriconi. Live free warrior, be free, be well, and be the best version of you.